guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my box braids without rubber bands. Start off using a model hair. I use about 9 pieces of this hair. I use the Curls Blueberry Edge Control, Eco Styler Gel, a tail comb, a brush, and a wide tooth comb, and of course clips. The front of my hair is parted down the middle and in 3 sections on each side, and in the back is parted into 4 sections with how many other braids I can. You're going to start off by applying gel to the base of your braid. Are you me? Look what just happened. My whole rolling rack just fell on the floor. So I take each piece of hair out of the pack and I separate it into 4 equal parts. So I'm able to create 4 braids out of each piece of hair or pack of hair. Then you're going to want to intertwine the hair into each other by wrapping it around each other twice and then pulling the 2 strands that originally were together back together. And you're going to want to make sure you elongate the ends of the hair so it's not on the same length and it doesn't end up being difficult to braid at the ending of the hair. To create a braid, you're going to need 3 strands. You're going to be using the synthetic hair as 2 strands and then your hair as a 3rd. And you're going to attach the synthetic hair to your hair. You're going to start braiding. The reason why I use my hair as a 3rd strand is because it makes it easier for me to keep the hair tight into my scalp. You're going to create a 3rd strand of hair from the synthetic hair and attach your natural hair to that hair with gel. And then you're going to continue to braid down until you get to the end. At this point, I am halfway through my head and I just wanted to show you my process so far. Now I'm just going to repeat the steps all over at the top of my head, making it a little easier for you guys to see, and just the second time, just in case you struggled with the first time of me showing it. You're going to wrap the hair around each other again, creating 2 strands. Make sure that you are separating the ends so it's easy to braid it down to the bottom. And I'm going to take some gel on my finger, just a good amount, and I'm going to apply it to the base of my braid, making sure that I get all the loose strands and keeping my part neat. And I'm just going to apply gel all the way down the hair. And I'm going to take the 2 strands that I've created and attach it to the 3rd strand, which will be my hair. Like I said, it just makes it easier to pull the synthetic hair tighter to your scalp, creating the braid to be tighter and to last longer. You're going to continue to start braiding down until you get to the end of your natural hair to create a 3rd strand from the synthetic hair. And continue to braid the hair until you get to the end. I normally dip my hair in hot water to help seal the ends and get rid of the frizziness. And then this is what the top of my hair look like now that I'm all finished. Yes, I'm all done. I had stopped at some point to go get my nails done, if you guys can't tell, and then I came back home to finish the top of my head. And this is the back of my hair for you guys. Now I'm just going to show you guys how I put some gold charms on my hair to help accessorize. If you have any questions and concerns in regards to this tutorial, just leave it down in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.